In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error E4 in your HP Envoy printer. So this error you will see on the main screen. It is flashing here. Also the yellow light is flashing here. This means there is something wrong with the paper. So it might be the paper is stuck inside or paper jam. So we'll start looking for that. So open the ink cartridge chamber. Now take the paper jam tray out. So we can see there is a paper stuck here. So we can take it out. We should also remove any paper which is stuck here. Next thing is to close it. Now push the door down and click cancel on the screen. And we are ready to use. So this way we can remove this error. Thanks for watching.